Introducing the Karcher SC4 Steam Cleaner, the most powerful way to deep clean your home without the use of chemicals. You can get the SC4 Steam Cleaner with the attachable Kärcher Easy Finish Iron for a massive 30% off. Just use the code STEAM30 to unlock this discount for a limited time only. Steam cleaning is one of the biggest trends in cleaning for 2024. Clean your home naturally and chemical-free using the power of steam. This revolutionary steam cleaner is here to transform your cleaning routine. With its powerful steam technology, it cleans using only water, making it safe for your entire home. The Karcher SC4 EasyFix Premium features a 2-step steam regulation, allowing you to adjust the steam intensity based on the cleaning task at hand. By harnessing the incredible cleaning power of steam, it removes an astounding 99.99% of all common household bacteria from typical hard surfaces.
Now that I'm using steam to clean my home, I no longer have to worry about using harsh chemicals.
I love the SC4 because I can clean multiple surfaces with one product, which saves me money, and its compact size means I can save space in my home too.
With onboard storage, you can keep the cables and accessories organized and within reach. A carpet glider for carpet and fabric cleaning, and a hand tool with detachable brushes in 3 different sizes for different cleaning tasks. Use the small detail nozzle for taps and other small fixtures, the round brush for larger surface areas, and the hand tool with detachable microfiber covering for flat, smooth surfaces such as tiles, mirrors, shower screens, and much more. Steam cleaning with the SC4 is not only for hard surfaces. It can also be used on fabric and textiles to refresh and deodorize, removing musky odors. The EasyFix floor nozzle with lamella technology is designed for optimal cleaning results on all types of hard floors around your home. With its flexible joint, it provides full floor contact regardless of your height, making it easy for anybody to use. And the best part? Changing the cleaning cloth is a breeze. Thanks to the convenient hook and loop system, you can quickly and easily attach and remove the microfiber floor cloth without even coming in contact with dirt and bacteria. The SC4 EasyFix Premium features a continuously refillable and removable water tank. This means you can keep cleaning while conveniently refilling the tank whenever needed.
The SC4 has made cleaning so much easier.
I also love that there's a child lock on the steam gun, as it means my kids are safe.
I no longer have to spend time scrubbing surfaces, and it makes it easy to clean those hard to reach places.
With the SC4 EasyFix Premium Iron, both your cleaning and ironing tasks become incredibly convenient. This iron features a steam pressure function with a fixed temperature setting, automatic shutdown feature, and a lightweight sole plate for easy, hassle-free ironing. The iron plugs into the steamer and is ready to use once the steam cleaner has heated up. With a 5-star review rating for this product, it's easy to see why it's so well loved. Visit karcher.com.au to place your order today.